I got a special treat for everybody today. We're building the Boot Shark KK Shark BL with custom box flame elder handle scales. This is going to absolutely finish out beautifully. So join us as we build the Boot Shark. So let's go ahead and get our blade out of the box here. On this particular kit, the bolsters are already attached, and it does come with a pin stock for it. It does not come with the thong hole tubing, but the thong hole tubing is available. We're going to go ahead and pick which set of scales that we want. And in this case, we decided to pick some box flame elder handle scales. So make a gorgeous kit. Tape our handle on one side, tape up our blade to protect the blade and our fingers. Generally speaking, you're going to tape your blade first, but if you forget and tape the handle on first, that's okay. Just tape your blade up as quickly as possible. If not, you'll remember when you get the first cut. But we send you a Band-Aid for that, so I guess it's all good. Just don't make the cut too deep. When you're doing that, you also want to make sure that you push that scale right up so it butts nice and smooth against the bolster. Then we're going to go and drill our holes here. And then, of course, we'll rinse and repeat. Take this handle scale off, tape the other one on, and drill it. Now, as you can see, we've opted not to do the thong hole on this one, and that is fine. You can do that either way. If you do want to do the thong hole, you're just going to drill one more hole. It'll be slightly larger on this one, and you'll buy the thong hole tubing. Now we're just going to epoxy both of our handles, making sure that we epoxy the correct side of each handle. And we're going to epoxy the top of the handle where it meets up against the bolster as well. And once we have them both on, we're going to go ahead and put our pins in. And we're going to clamp down our scales. We're going to peen the pins so that they expand into the handle material and the tang. Give us some added security. It's good to have nice, even pressure. And then you're going to let it cure for about 24 hours, remove the clamps, and start sanding. And you'll just sand to your liking, starting with a rough belt, working your way up to a fine belt. And then you'll polish to your liking. And this box flame elder is absolutely gorgeous when it's finished. So now you see just how easy it is to build a knife kit. The next thing you got to do is just go right to our website, knifekits.com, and order one for yourself. When you finish it, do me a favor though, take pictures and send them to us. That way we can post them up on the website and on social media. If you've enjoyed this video, please take the time to like it, click the subscribe button, and click the notification button. We've got a lot more to come. Thanks for stopping by.